So a box contains 100 balls numbered 1 to 100. So we've got, 50 evens, 50 odds. Random and with replacement was the probability that the sum of the three numbers on the ball selected from the box will be odd. So going back to number properties, how do you get an odd sum? Sum is odd. A nice condensed rule for doing the odd plus odd, even plus even, and all that stuff is that an odd number of odds is odd. Everything else is even. So we have a couple of different scenarios. We could have one odd and then two evens. Yeah, so that's one odd. Or we have three odds. These are the two different outcomes we can get for drawing these balls and getting an odd sum. Okay. So probably the first draw is up here. The first one I get is odd is 1/2 because everything's even or odd at both 1/2, and then even is 1/2, and then even again is 1/2. Now I could have done this in different orders. I could have had odd even, or like even odd even, or like even odd. Basically, there are 3 factorial over 2 factorial 1 factorial ways to rearrange these letters. That's what we do in our lesson. Is like this is the permutations with identical rules. There's 3 factorial, 3 letters, and there are 2 E's and 1 O. So this works out to, this is 1/8, 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/8 times, this just reduces to 3. So 3/8. So this outcome here is 3/8 for this happening. Now, or it could be, so we're going to add that to the second outcome, which is that all 3 are odd. So 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 for the probabilities equals 1/8. Now, are there multiple ways to rearrange these letters? No, it's just odd, odd, odd. No other orders that could have happened in. So the probability of this second scenario is just 1/8. So my first scenario is 3/8, or it could have been my second scenario of all odds, and that's 1/8. So I do 3/8 plus 1/8 gives me 4/8, which gives me 1/2. That's how it's done.